Jamaica, watch
News
this.
follow-up now. One of the prime suspects in the murder of two constables turned himself in to the police today. The 20-year-old male surrendered to the Hunts Bay police Friday afternoon, less than 12 hours after a manhunt was launched for him and two other suspects.
He was accompanied to the station by a justice of the peace, and he's now being interviewed and further workup being done around him. We are urging the two remaining suspects, Junior Brown of 13 Seaward Drive, Kingston 20, and Cardell Insang, otherwise called Squidley, of a 91 Waltham Park Road, Kingston 13 address, to report to the police no later than 6 p.m.
The accused are said to be part of the Dust City Gang, a criminal network that specializes in car stealing. It's alleged constables Charles Stewart and Jamaica Gordon were fatally shot after confronting the suspects about parking their vehicles in front of a business operated by the lawmen. The incident happened along 83 Lane, Waltham Park Road, Kingston, sometime after 7 Thursday evening. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang condemned the killings, calling them an attack on the very foundations of law, order, and public safety. He vowed that the full weight of the state would be brought against those responsible.